Question number 1. A football club sells tickets at different prices dependent on age group. Part A first is, at one game, the club sold tickets in the ratio under 18, ratio 18 to 60, ratio over 60 is equal to 2 ratio 7 ratio 3. There were 6,100 tickets sold for people aged under 18. Calculate the total number of tickets sold for the game. For the people aged under 18, ratio is 2. 2 over sum of ratio 2 plus 7 plus 3 of x is the total number of tickets, equals 6,100 tickets sold for people aged under 18. From this we can calculate total number of tickets. X is equal to 6,100 times sum of ratio is 2 plus 7 plus 3, 12. So 12 over 2. 6,100 times 12 over 2 is 36,600. This is the total number of tickets sold for the game. Part 2. Calculate the percentage of tickets sold for people aged under 18. Number of tickets sold for people aged under 18 is 6,100 over total number of tickets is 36,600 multiplied by 100. 6,100 over 36,600 multiplied by 100 is 16.7. Next is part C. In a sale, the football club shop reduced the price of the football shirts to 23.80. An error was made of the football shirts to $23.80. An error was made when working out this sale price. The price was reduced by 30% instead of 20%. Calculate the correct sale price for the football shirt. For this, first we will calculate original price of the shirt. This is a reduction of 30%. So 1 minus 30 over 100 of original price, and original price, let's say, is x, equals 23.80. Then x will be equal to 23.80 over 1 minus 30 over 100. 23.80 over 1 minus 30 over 100 is 34. Now the correct sale price is equal to 1 minus 20 over 100 of original price, which is $34. 1 minus 20 over 100 of 34 is 27.2.